Welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create your Google Meeting. Okay, so Google Meeting is a meeting platform where you can meet your student. If you're a teacher, you can meet your student. If you are business partners, you can have your meeting online discussing everything. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create your Google Meeting. Okay, so here you just open your browser and you type Google Meeting. You type on Google Meeting, and when it opens, this is the interface that you are going to see. So you see Google Meeting, then you click on the first option. Okay, so when you click on the first option, then it will take you to this platform where we have premium video meetings now free for everyone. So this is a free platform that you cannot use. Okay, so let's see some of these options here around. Say get links that you can share. Okay, so when you are about to start a meeting, you'll be getting a link to share. And this one, plan ahead. If you want to plan ahead before you go on with a meeting, your meeting is safe. No one can join a meeting unless you ask the person to join, or you send him the link. So this is a very secure way by which you can have your meeting with your business partner or your student. Now these are the options here. We have create a meeting for later. You can create a meeting for later whereby you get the link and then later on you start the meeting. And then we have start an instant meeting, and then we have schedule meeting. Okay, so I've opened create a meeting for later. So that's what you're going to see. You just copy the link and then you share the links to those that you want them to be at the meeting. So this is how you can create a meeting for later. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to start meeting. So you just click on start meeting, and this option will be open for you. So as you can see, the camera is starting, then the camera will be starting, and then you see yourself in the meet. So this is how you can create your meet.